Alright guys, good morning guys, morning guys, morning. Alright, I am actually at the pavilion Kuala Lumpur. Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. Alright, it's so beautiful, huh? Beautiful morning guys, such a beautiful morning. As you can see now, where I am, right, and that side is the mall, right? That is the mall, right? And from that side, if you look that side, it's the road, the main road. It's actually the road that is coming from the other side. We stay that side, but then the cars are going that side, right? So it's such a beautiful place, It's such a good morning. It's morning this side. It's very morning. It's in the morning. It's in the morning. The place looks good. Place looks good, guys. Place looks good, but I'm sweating. It's a bit hot, guys. It's a bit hot. But you can see, place looking good, guys. Place looking good. As you can see, right. Let me quickly do this so you can see, guys can see. Right. This is the city. I'm actually at the city center. Alright. At the city center. This is the pavilion. Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. Right? Such a beautiful place. Right? Such a beautiful place. And you can see with nice flowers, everything is good, right? And they've got such a big buildings there, right? Place is such a beautiful place, and the tallest buildings, right? As you can see there, tallest buildings, right? Tallest buildings. And if you look at this side, you'll see here, you've got some shops. It's still early morning. They just opened now. And it's still morning. All right. I think what time is it now? It's actually 22:10. 22:10, which is I will say your side is past. It's 22:5 actually. Yeah. Let me see. No. We are 6 hours ahead of you guys, 22:10. So it's actually, 4 o'clock. Yeah, it's 4 o'clock. Actually, it's 22:05 your time. 22:05 your time, but if, you know, here they're already eating breakfast. Beautiful place. Right. So guys, I'll keep you posted, guys. I'll keep you posted. Right. Thank you so much.